Good morning, Gerrit from League Pro Plumbing. Early mornings. This is Kurt next to me. On our way, early mornings. It is now to 7. Very good to start the morning early. Got a couple of things to do today. We're going to one of the big supermarkets. We're going to sort out the coffee machine connection. Then I'm also heading to a burst line. Oh, a lot of maintenance things. Keep posted. I'm going to share the videos today. See what we do through the day. Okay, first call out for the day. First line. Water switched off. It popped just here by the, I don't know if you can hear that. It popped here by the fitting. It's going to repair it. But yeah, that's a problem with this plastic lines. They're bad. Yeah. Okay, the repair is done. I linked it up like that. Don't want to disturb that fitting. That's why the reason I had to put a joint up. I just secured it to the beam a little bit more secured. But yeah, I'm going to need to quote them to replace all these plastic pipes because it's on hot water, and where your olive is, the decompression of the heat cuts the pipe and then it leaks afterwards or bursts. So yeah, repair done.